Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change these simple fractions to decimals. Look at this easy, quick way to do it. In this example, we have 32 out of 100. So 32 out of 100, we would like to write it in decimal. Very easy. We write the number, and we ask ourselves how many zeros are on the bottom. In this case here, we have 2 zeros, which means 2 numbers have to be behind the point. 2 numbers behind the point, which means the point's going to be here. We have our 2 numbers, and we put our 0 there. 0.32. 2 zeros, 2 numbers behind the point. Another example, we have 5 over 10. 5 over 10, we put our number, and we ask ourselves 5 over 10 means it is 1 0 there, which means 1 number behind the point. 1 number behind the point, 0.5. Another example, 16 out of 100. We write our number 16, and we see there are 2 zeros, which means 2 numbers after the point. 0.16, 2 numbers after the decimal point. 7 over 100. We write our 7, and we know there are 2 zeros, which means there are going to be 2 numbers after the decimal point, which means 0.07. Be careful, 0.07. 2 zeros means 2 numbers, 0.7 are behind the decimal point. Another way we can tell is that it's 7 out of 100. We have the 10th here, we have the 100th here. So 10th and then 100th, 7 out of 100, there it is. Very easy. Another example, 13 out of 1,000. So we have our number 13, and we know that we have 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. That means there are 3 numbers after the point. So we put our point. We only have 2 numbers, so we put the third one, 0.013. 3 numbers after the decimal point, 3 zeros. Another example, we have a whole number here. So our whole number is going to go in our units, 6 point. Our 4, we have 2 zeros, which means we're going to have 2 numbers, 0, 4. 2 numbers after the point because there are 2 zeros. So as you can see throughout all of them, we look for how many zeros are in the denominator. Out of 100, which means 2 numbers are going to go behind the decimal point. There they are. Out of 10, 1 0 means 1 number will go behind. There it is. 2 zeros, 2 numbers after the point. 2 zeros, meaning 2 numbers are going to go after the point here. 3 zeros, meaning 3 numbers are going to go behind the point. And here, 2 zeros, and we have 2 numbers behind the decimal point. Quick way to change and to move from fractions to decimals.